Yep, I can get out of your way there.
Alright guys, we got Tier 1 from eBay, box number 100.
You can always check the spreadsheet at the bottom of the home page there too, all the names with the teams.
And we pulled a bat knob, autographed bat knob.
Wow.
First night of breaks.
Wow.
Ryan Braun. Are you kidding me?
No, we'll put that up for you guys. We'll put that up for sale for you guys later.
Wow.
Pick that up cheap too. That's a nice card.
Wow.
Nice.
Cubs. And nobody grabbed the Cubs either.
Another house one. There's still time to pick up on those Inception guys. We got that.
And it's the Buster Posey relic, went to DM3MD. Get that one touch right now.
What's the number? Oh, on that next sleeve. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Real nice. Unbelievable. It's a fresh case of Inception too, guys. There's going to be some nice stuff in that.